Hi, I'm Von Kenneth D. Alberto from BSMT 3A4. Today I'm going to discuss about the International Code for the Safe Carriage on Grain Bulk. Now, I am going to identify the following actions below. First, identify the defect of rubber packing. Second, check if the cargo are properly stowed. Third, check if the seal have defect. Fourth, check if all canvas cover have hole. Fifth, check if all canvas cover are in properly positioned. Sixth, check if all cargo net in good condition. Seventh, check if all cargo net are fully tightened. Eighth, check the condition of cargo as per charterer order. Ninth, check for the trackways are to be kept clean. And lastly, check for the hydraulic or mechanically powered opening, closing, securing, or cleating systems are to be maintained in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. Now, why is it important to identify the defect of rubber packing? It is important to identify the defect of rubber packing because poor maintenance of hatch cover leakage to cargo damage can represent a hazard to the ship and its crew. Although hatch covers are simple and durable, to their sealing gaskets are easily damaged. Why is it important to check if the cargo is properly stowed? It is important to check if the cargo is properly stowed because the proper stowage and securing of cargoes is of the utmost importance for the safety of life at sea. Improper stowage and securing of cargoes has resulted in numerous serious ship's casualties and caused injury and loss of life, not only at sea but also during loading and discharge. All cargo should be stowed and secured in a manner that will avoid exposing the ship and persons on board unnecessary risk. How to check if the seal have defect? The primary indicator of a broken window seal is the moisture between the window panes. How to check if all canvas cover have hole? Corrosion on the hatch cover might have caused a hole in the steel construction. It is essential that cargo hatch covers are inspected and tested at a regular interval. This is to ensure that the weathertight integrity is maintained and that the vessel is in cargo-worthy and seaworthy condition. Check if all canvas cover are in properly positioned. To check, you must look for similar hatches. Then, ensure all hatch covers are properly designed and secured to prevent unintentional opening or shifting. Check if all cargo nets are in good condition. Cargo nets are one of the most widely abused and most misunderstood components of air cargo industry. Despite their almost universal usage in both lower and main deck cargo applications, even the most Coursera ground inspection will almost always turn up nets the door not in a condition to be used. Check if all cargo net are fully tightened. Cargo net should be fully tightened to prevent individuals from falling through openings or overboard into the sea. Cargo net are also used as physical barriers. Check the condition of cargo as per charterer's order. It is important to check the condition of the cargo to ensure that the ships deliver the cargo safely in the most effective manner. Check for the trackways are to be kept clean. Simply to avoid contamination of potential cargo, to load with traces of previously loaded cargo. All ships and their staffs take utmost care of cargo which they carry. Check for the hydraulic or mechanically powered opening, closing, securing, or cleating systems are to be maintained in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. Clean the area around dipsticks, fill plugs and hydraulic filters before removing them to check or change the hydraulic fluid. Keep all fluid containers tightly sealed when stored, and change the fluid and filter after the initial 50 hours of use.